off to sunny Cairn Curran, where milk and honey flow.
I'm going back to country living, where the air is fresh and clean. Going back to natural living, where the grass grows tall and green, and the skies can be seen. Ooh. I say goodbye to London City.
Stephanie, Carrion, Jr. and myself left Stephanie Holmes in Runaway Bay, St. Anne's, Jamaica. Our destination was for sunny Cairn Curran.
And the sound of nature's voice.
Our mission is to spend some quality time with our friends and colleagues, and at the same time retomb our grandfather's grave.
There's room.
All of time. Yeah, listen. Almost heaven, West Jamaica, through his mountain, shining down the river. All my friends there, holding on those reeds, young and then the mountain, blowing like a breeze from the road. Take me home to the place I belong. West Jamaica, my mama, take me home, country home. Now wait a minute. I heard a voice in the morning, calls me. The son, you remind me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I feel a sickness. I said it. Oh, yesterday. My memories all down the road high. Mama letting stranger through the water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Mystic taste of moonshine, it's gone on my high. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Jamaica, mama. What you tell me go home, country road, oh, I got me too.
After an enjoyable long drive, we finally reached Cairn Curran.
Danny,
Yes,
so I'll go and put you on here now. Eyesight not so good again.
I know, yeah.
Huh? Pass me a pass through, Kurt.